Lab Monkey funny moments. Okay. Number 1.
Don't go yet. There's a monster.
Yeah. Oh, to the toilet. I'm gonna eat it. Can I eat it? Alright, there he is. What the Sigma? Yeah, yeah. What the Sigma? Ah! I'm in. Okay. Guys, flush this toilet right here. This is the right toilet. This is the right toilet right here. Hello? Flush this toilet right here. Follow me. I'm right here. I know where the toilet is. They have to flush. It's right here. Bro, just ignore my entire question. Another question. I know what toilet it is. It's hold on, not this one, not that one. It's this one right here. It's this one. There's 3 in a row. It's tic-tac-toe. How do you know which one they all are?
I've played this game. I've played this map.
Okay, I'll do it.
No, I'm about to speedrun it. Watch out.
Whoa, it's a toilet. It's a Bloody Mary. Wah! Yeah, my toilet. I put her in my toilet. Her legs are in my toilet. Toilet. Skibbity dap dap dap. Yes. Skibbity dabbity deep deep. Who did that? I want to get over there. Hey, poo-poo.
Yeah, I got these out of the trash can.
Hey, poo-poo.
I got these out of the trash can.
Hey, poo-poo. I'm hungry. That tasted like chocolate. Bruno is a place. Alright, we don't talk about Bruno.
Yeah.
Bruno. Don't lose sight of him. I'm about to die. I don't know why. I'm just about to die.
You can get these out of the trash can, dude.
Where's the right toilets? Is there a toilet on the right there? On the right there, on the that, on the thing, on the that, on the what? What? That's the toilet on the that, on the what, on the that?
Get up,
let me try to say it again. Is that a toilet on the potato? On the, oh my god. I just juked, bro. Bro isn't even walking. Me stuck. Don't see me. Guys, help me. I have osteoporosis. What is even happening? Right now.
Yes, I'm still holding it. Yo, you can still hold it.
I have long-term memory loss. Open the door. Doesn't do anything. Is this the right one? No, it's not. Not the right one.
Hey, did
Skibbity,
you flush this one?
skibbity, skibbity.
Okay.
What?
Go! I heard her. Dude, I heard her. Yo, have you flushed this one?
Can't grab the
Have
rocks out of
dude,
here.
dude, have you flushed this one?
Oh, I just said I have long-term memory loss. That doesn't have to do with anything I just even said, but I have long-term memory. Just pee-pee or poo-poo.
Come over here.
And just pee-pee. I'm slipping on the pee-pee. Hi, George. Hi.
Oh,
George
she's right
is
there,
really it. That doesn't make any sense, but it kind of does. I don't even know why I just said that. Oh, there's Bloody Monkey.
No.
Oh, Bill's dead.
Dude, don't go out. Don't go out.
It's a mirror. Oh, I wasn't even trying to get me.
How did she get me from right there?
His rocks. His rocks! I think that's his kidney stone. I did think he said he passed a kidney stone, so yeah. Oh, he's right there! Oh my god! I'm flushing these toilets. I'm flushing these toilets. Yeah. Do the time lapse, editor. Do a time lapse. This time lapse. Yeah.
Yo, where is she at?
I think I just broke my eardrum.
No, how did she get me from up there?
I'm out of the safe zone. Out of the safe zone. What the Sigma? Well, hi, Mister. Oh, both dead. Both gonna die. Oh no, he's alive. Oh wait, you're asking for my name? I don't know why I just said that. Cause if you don't know, I am
Steve.
You remind me of Elmo. Why do I keep spawning out of the safe zone? What did I do to deserve to spawn out of the safe zone? Did I flush all my toilets? She's gonna yell at me if I don't flush all the toilets. Because I took a dump in all of them. His hand is going through the floor.
Dude, where are you?
Oh, it's Mr. Osteoporosis.
Oh, there you are, dude. Let's go. Yo, let's go.
Wait, did I say? What does that even mean? I meant to say I have Galapagopoulos. Galapagopoulos. I keep forgetting the name of it. It's Galapagopoulos. Get up!
What are you
Get
doing?
away, walls! I live in your walls. I live in your walls. Why am I stuck in here? Can you kill me? Come bring him back here. Hold on. Actually, no. Don't you dare. Don't bring him back here. Wait.
Oh, you got out. Nice.
Get me the paper towel.
Let's go, bro.
We're out. We can't be out.
Yo, Red, let's go.
Ooh,
Let's go, bro.
trash. I want some.
Red, let's go.
I want some Galapagopoulos.
Red, let's go.
I want it. I want it. My grandma made me say what beavers build. Ooh, it's Poo-Poo. Poopy.
She's coming over here. She's coming from over here. She's gonna be right there. I know. I saw her.
Oh, that guy has osteoporosis. Oh my god. It's a Clobadabadabs. What do I keep saying? What's osteoporosis? Sounds like a dinosaur name.
How'd you get killed that easy, dude?
I am a dinosaur.
Yo, what?
You know what? What the heck is even happening? There. I can see everything and anything. And my mom. I can see my mom over there. She makes me flush all the toilets, but I don't want to, so I don't. Obviously. What's up, bro? Die. Wow.
How did she
Give
get
me
me
some
from all
popcorn.
the way up there? How did she get me? How did she get me? How did she get me?
I just saw you fall through the floor.
What?
That's some rocks. I can't grab the rocks. Here! I'm gonna eat you. Why do I see floating toilet water? Come in. Come in, Joe. Go get Clopidophodosis. Floppy. Why you have such big ears, Grandma?
I'm out.
Caution, slippery
Yo, where'd you
floor.
go?
Me a penguin. Doesn't even work. Barely even slides.
Yo, bro, Red, you check that way.
Ah, run! It's right, Dave's about to turn the corner. Knew it.
Oh.
'Cause as you can see, I have mods. Let me get a cool edit. I don't even know how you're gonna make that cool. I actually just don't. Just gonna quit.
She like literally
Alright,
teleports.
shit. What's that going through the wall? What? I'm stuck. I am stuck. Alright. Bathroom equals haunted. I go to the bathroom every single day. Except if I'm dead. Magic. I already clicked that. There's no magic. Death magic. Right here. It says won't. What? Won't. What? Won't it? That even say won't. That says what? Woot. Woot. That even. R.I.P. R.I.P. to him and the other people. Oh, R.I.P. He's falling through the floor. I just saw him casually fall through the floor. Like everybody casually does every single day. Hi, Mr. Eyeball. What the heck are you doing? It's a pancake. Whoa. If you watch Kid President, you're a toilet. Why do I watch Kid President? Why do I sound like Flushy GT? It sounds weird. Here? Okay, nothing happened. At least you showed me the way with your poo-poo stains. something. No, I'm not a girl.
What are you doing?
Right there. Me and where's my controller? Alright. Monkey has a giant nose. Look, that monkey was picking his boogers. Then I wasn't. Just like me. Wait, no, I definitely wasn't picking my. I promise, I wasn't picking my booger. Oh, penguin man! He's a penguin! Hey, no. 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 No, don't get me. Jeff, don't you dare think about it. I wanna be a penguin. That kinda sucked. Did I flush all my toilets? I flushed on my skibbity toilet.
Do you like to
Only me and the other person, not me and this random guy. Oh no, oh no, give me your hand, give me my hand, give my hand back, toilet. Say, skibbity toilet. One, you're basically like cheating. This one, and this one. Clucky button. Cluckies clucky. Cluckies clucking tenders. What am I even talking about? That's a Roblox game.
It's raining tacos from out of the sky. Tacos. No need to
That's why just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining tacos. It's raining tacos from out of the sky. Tacos. No need to ask what.
all you can eat. Lettuce and shells, cheese and meat. It's raining tacos. Yum.
Oh yeah, urinal, the flush. One singular urinal. Hopefully I don't die by the stupid toilet piece looking. But I'm gonna see Mr. Toilet. Oh, he just fell through. His arm is through the floor. Yeah.
Middle second.
A rock. Oh, going right. Where am I going? Yay! Great. No, I didn't do anything.
Bro, I bet I'm faster than you.
I'm making a video of bathroom funny moments.
Nice. I'm gonna show you that I'm faster than you though.
Third floor.
Watch
I'm
this.
here.
It's raining
I just walked on water.
It's raining tacos.
Trace him on the map. Yeah, surely that will help. Yeah, nothing will bad happen over there.
Hello.
Hope I don't die because I
What's your
literally.
YouTube channel?
What are you doing?
What's your YouTube channel?
I have no clue what you're saying. Sounds just like you're saying blig. Say it again. Hold on, say it again.
What is your YouTube channel?
Gorilla VR. Gorilla VR. Just
check it out.
Gorei. Just gore.
I know how to
Just
spell gorilla.
pretend you're spelling gorilla, but add an E after the O. Because I'm making a horror game. I made a horror game called Gorilla. Get it? Because it's horror and it's gore.
Oh, yeah.
Gorilla. Yeah, you get it. And also, I didn't put the video, so yeah.
I'm like that. I'm
Now, so, whee! I didn't really post any videos on there. This is like the first video I have. and when we go to love. Oh no. Well, his head is floating.
You want to know
His
something?
brother is floating in the air. How did his head
Ashes, ashes, we all fall down.
I don't even really know the words. Somebody just died in mid of air. Oh, there we go.
So
Oh.
good.
Hi. Hi, Pancake.
Wait,
We're playing my harmonica. Are you leaving? No. Oh, wait, good. I'm probably going to Halloween neighborhood after this. 'Cause I like it. I like to cut G. Alright, more funny moments. Start now. Wait, once I get all the toilets, then we die. Did I not get that one? Oh, we missed the toilet. I don't even know that movie that's from that. It's a hard knock life for us. It's a hard knock life. Knew it. I forgot the name. I'm on one time maybe watching and I forgot the name of it. So don't trust me. Alright, I just forgot the name of it. Move right away off the right. Just please don't bite my balls. Please don't do it, or else I'll bite your head. Like Uno reverse. Bro, he's chasing you. Chasing you already, bro. Oh, he fell, and he fell, and he fell. That's the end of my story. And I hope he's gonna die again for like ragdoll. And he did. You know what? Just let me go somewhere else. I'm over here. Now bring it over there. Bring it over to your hard knock life. Yeah, bring him. Keep him right there. And then let me go back in the safe zone. The master plan. Oh my god. Music in the background. Whoa, juking. Oh, Mr. What's your name? Jax. He joined. Oh, he's dead. Oh, he just fell to the floor.
After this, I gotta go.
I'm on the toilet. Alright, there we go. Alright, there's that man. Alright, I know this is pretty long, and hopefully it won't take up all my storage, and I hope that I can get everything, hopefully. And then, I won't be able to buy anything, and I won't be able to get anything, and I won't be able to get I literally just said I was, literally just sound like I was rapping an Eminem song.
One last time.
Oh no. Oh, he just went right through him. I fell. Okay, I fell. Oh, what the heck?
This time is
Just
beast
fell again.
mode.
Right, I see this guy over there. He's flushing the toilets. W-Man actually trying to play the game. Like none of us. We're just juking him out. I really want to die from him because... let me see what happens. Eat me. Eat me. Eat me. Eat me, Blossom Cola. Oh, wait, go in the safe zone. again. Ah! I have a long-term memory loss.
Who just died? Who just died? Because I don't give a fuck.
Oh! Oh! He's getting juked right now! I'm literally on the toilet over here. Oh, R.I.P. Why did he always fall through the floor this time he did? Oh, hello, mister. And also, you're in a video right now. Hopefully, you don't leave because it's gonna be sad. We have a video right here. You are in a video for the first time on a channel, Gorilla VR. It's my name. Subscribe to it. Go on YouTube and subscribe to Gorilla VR. The profile picture is 2 gorillas that are very hurt and have no legs. And there's weird red eyes behind it, and then it's called Gorilla VR, and it's like they're in like a lab and it's dark. It's called Gorilla VR. Alright. Everybody subscribe to Gorilla VR. That's my YouTube channel. Gorilla. Gorilla VR. Wait, no, it's spelled VR. Just Oh, purple. Hello, purple. Brainstorm mood. Bye, Toasty. Wait. I was just thinking of Animal Company. I don't even know why I just said Toasty. But, oh, he just left. R.I.P. Purple. Why, Purple? Hi. Subscribe to my channel, Gorilla, Gorilla VR. I'm recording you right now. So, if you want to be in a video, then, yes, you are in one by me. Gorilla. If you can go on YouTube, but yeah, do that. Alright, let me post this video.